Yes.
Yeah. I am Shobha Karajgi from Rani Bengur, Haveri district, Karnataka state. Okay. I have been working from 94 as the chairperson of this Tungabhadra River Environment Management Committee near Harihar Reach. This committee was constituted in 1994 in March due to the massive fish kill along the left bank of the Tungabhadra River. It is downstream of Harihar Polyfibers in the Ranebennura Taluka. The factory was established in 1972 on this left bank, and the pollution was started, this river pollution was started from the establishment of the factory because of they were letting the effluents in the river. And in the earlier stage, the villagers were not, they did not know about the pollution problems they have to face. They were happy that they will get work in the factories, so they sold their lands to them for establishing factories. But when the factory was commissioned and it started working, the pollution problem, they faced this pollution problem. And then when we were working about the all over women development works in the villages, they started telling about these pollution problems to us. So then we, from our organization, which was established in 1986, the name was Samaja Parivartana Samudaya, we started educating them about the pollution problem. And they, in earlier days, they approached the local health officials and local MLAs for the solution of this pollution problem, but they had not got any relief. So then they started coming to us, to voluntary organizations for help, and we started them to educate about this pollution problem and how they have to organize themselves to get their rights over natural resources, and what are their rights and how to fight against these problems. So then they came and organized sanghas, and they started agitating against this pollution, and they were communicating the government officials to get over this problem of pollution. And they were more organized, and they did more vigilance, and they did some satyagraha also, non-violent satyagrahas also. And most people, most eminent people like Dr. Shivram Karant and Jyotibai Desai from Gujarat, all of them, they came and they gave the guidance to how to organize and how to do non-violent satyagrahas also. So in the 94, in 86 also there was a massive fish kill, and because of that they were very afraid of all these pollutions, and they got organized and started about knowing the severity of this pollution problem, and they started getting knowledge and information and training about this agitation, non-violent agitation. In '94, there was a massive fiscal in the march from 23rd to 29th. Then these people, they gave telegrams to Minister, Environmental Department, and then to secretaries and Pollution Control Board chairman, etc. Then Pollution Control Board chairman, he visited the place and he called the personal hearing from management committee and from these affected villagers and the voluntary organizations who were working with them. Then this post-hoc committee called Tungabhadra Environment Management Committee was formed. And from that day, then I was the he suggested me to be the chairperson of this committee, and from then onwards, every alternate month we visit the effluent treatment plant. And then the minister, environment minister also visited the spot, environment secretary also visited the spot, and they were sure that the massive fiscal was because of the effluent let into the river. But immediately that chairman was transferred, or he was removed from his chair. So definite action was not taken against the factory. But this washtag committee was formed, so I started working with this committee, visiting the factories every alternate month. From then onwards, fiscal have not happened, and the factories also has become more aware, and they are also behaving little bit with responsibility. I think wherever such type of problems are arising due to this industrial pollution, the washtag committees are to be formed to reduce the pollution or to make the industrialists more responsible in controlling the effluents.